Imagine a world without tigers, rhinos, or even vaquitas. It's closer than you think. Today, we're diving into the plight of the world's most endangered species, exploring why they're vanishing, and what it means for our planet. The vaquita, a tiny porpoise found only in the Gulf of California, is critically endangered, with fewer than 20 remaining. Their decline is tragically linked to illegal fishing nets, highlighting how human activity directly impacts vulnerable populations. It's a stark reminder of our responsibility. Next, consider the Amur leopard. Fewer than 100 exist in the wild, primarily due to habitat loss and poaching. Surprisingly, their beautiful fur is the biggest threat, driving a lucrative black market trade. We'll look at another surprising case next. The Sumatran rhino, one of the oldest species on Earth, faces extinction with only around 80 individuals left. Unlike other rhinos, they're browsers, not grazers, making them incredibly reliant on specific forest habitats. And get this, scientists are exploring frozen zoo technology to potentially revive extinct species. Ultimately, these species aren't just disappearing, they're indicators of a larger ecological crisis. Protecting them means safeguarding biodiversity and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. If you found this eye-opening, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world.